Alright, update on spells. So it looks like we held that level that we were talking about in our last video, which is a really good thing because we talked about this. If we come over to the daily, the 786, this level down here for spell token at 0.0038, that was the last line in the sand. If we didn't hold that, then we would have been coming down, you know, potentially to as low as the lows that we put in down here at 3.2. So it would have been a nasty drop. We did hold the 786 and we are now pushing up. So what do I personally see happening for spell token? What do I need to see to become bullish? And well, that's different in the short term. For me, I would prefer to see this breakout in the macro term before I get in. So let's jump into the short term and then I'll talk about what I need to see in a more macro time frame to become bullish on spell token again. If we jump into the 4 hour, you can see the bears are losing control. We've had a big momentum shift with these dark red candles, meaning the bears are in control, but it is moving to more of a bullish phase. Now we are pushing up right now. The next major level of resistance that I see coming into play would be our 618 Fibonacci at 0.0042. Not too far away from where we are now. This also nicely lines up with the top of these 4 hourly EMA ribbons. You can see the long-term moving average is coming in right here at 4.2. Once we take out 4.2, in the short term, I think the bulls would have taken control of this trend. We would hopefully have seen more volume stepping in then, because as you can see right now, there is not a lot of volume coming in to back up this bottom that we've seen, which is why I'm personally not entering a trade right now. I am just sitting on the sidelines and being cautious. So short term, very simply, if we get above 0.0042, we have a good shot of flipping the 4 hourly EMA ribbons. You can also see the bulls have just started taking control of the 1 hourly time frame, which is good. We've seen a 1 hourly fire on the EMA ribbons, but what do I need to see to become macro bullish on this? And it's one very simple thing. If you've been watching my spell videos for the past month, for the past couple of weeks, you know I've been talking about this level many times. Now the macro market structure, you can see we've got this all-time high, we've got a lower high, lower high, lower high. Now if we look at the lows, you can see we've got a macro low right here, we've got a macro low right here, put in another lower low and another lower low, and we are hanging out in that region right now where we haven't put in a lower low in a while. We've actually put in a short-term higher low, but we still do need to be cautious until we start taking out the macro lows that we put in before. So I've talked about this many times. This region here, we had an M pattern breakdown, so that will be a strong area of resistance. We came into this before and it was resistance, so this level is very much confirmed to be a strong level of resistance. This was your biggest macro low, in my opinion, on this chart. You can see the price just got pulled all the way down to here, and ever since then, you know, it was, we tried to hold it as support here, we M'd out, we got rejected from it once we come back into it. The next time we came back into it, we got rejected again. So this is going to be a huge level to break. I have been talking about this. I have been saying I'm looking to get into a trade for spell, and I was talking about this here. I'd need to see a push up, a daily close, and then to start moving up. And what did we have instead? We had a push up on the daily, we didn't have a daily close, and we fell completely through the floor. So I still haven't entered a trade. I've been talking about this trade since we were all the way up here at 5.9, and now we are all the way down here at 4.2. So we do have a ways to go until we are coming back to this important level. Almost a 48% rally. If you were looking to trade this in the short term, like I said, I think the 4 hourly EMAs need to be broken up here at 0.0042. Then you would have a 44% rally to the upside, and we are seeing a tiny bit of volume coming in as the bulls are taking back of the control of the lower time frames. But all in all, not enough volume to make me confident that this was 100% a bottom region for spell token. So I will be waiting for an impulse at least above the 4 hourly EMAs. Once we do get above that level, like I said, this is your number one important level. Once we take out 0.006, then we would have a straight rally up, and this is a conservative trade, a 90% rally up to the 0.236 Fibonacci. And I think a 90% rally is somewhat conservative for two reasons. Number one, the market cap of this is pretty low. I'm pretty sure it's like 400 million. Number two, I'm only making a trade up to the first Fibonacci level. It's not like I'm trading up to the 61.8 up here at 2.5 cent. I am literally targeting the most bearish, the lowest fib on this entire chart. So I don't think I'm asking for a crazy amount, waiting for a breakout and then taking the breakout trade up to 1 cent. That is really all I see for Spell Token. We are kind of just hanging in there by a thread. We have moved up a tiny bit today. As you can see, Bitcoin is rallying, which is allowing the entire crypto market to rally. So I want to see if we can get continuation on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin can push up past 42.5, then I imagine Spell Token won't have to come back to the 786 Fibonacci. And then, like I said, lower time frames on the 4 hour. Once you get above the 4 hourly EMA at 0.0042, then you have a much smoother ride until we come up to this important level that we need to break up here at 0.006. That's all I see. Like I said, I can't get macro bullish until 0.006 is broken. Once we take that out, this can become slightly more of a mid to longer term trade for me. That is all I see for Spell Token. Best of luck if you're in it. Once again, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Cowboy out. Peace.